Okay, we've got a NewBeeDrone Cockroach V4 frame, 65mm, arguably the best tiny whip frame out there. But what some of you might not know is that the motor mount, the hole in the middle, is a little bit too small to perfectly allow this to spin. You can see how close and tight it is. This is a happy model motor, and the C-clip is just that bit too big. Don't have this problem with NewBeeDrone motors. But what some people do is they take a 9/64 inch, which is 3.57mm, so this is a 3.5mm drill bit, and then they try and drill it out, which you either do by hand or with a drill, and is A, a little bit tricky, but B, it's a bit messy because it leaves little bits of swarf. It doesn't cut very cleanly. So what I tend to use is, if you've got a Dremel tool, two things: you should get an extension cord for a Dremel tool. God, they're useful. But these tiny conical sort of sanding bits, and I won't show you what it's like to try and drill one of these out because they're a nightmare. It takes a little while, good few minutes, and like I said, it's messy. You get the swarf building up. It doesn't really cut through the plastic. It more sort of smears it and pushes it out. So excuse the noise, but I'll show you how quickly and easily this can be done. So just literally, I need to look over my phone, just touch in there like that, and it takes just the right amount out, and touch in the middle there, just the right amount out. And as you can see, well, there's a tiny little bit of swarf there, ironically. It takes, if you want to touch it from the other side as well, it takes all the swarf out of that, makes a nice beautiful hole. Just turn that off. You can also use those Dremel bits for modifying the frames. Like say with this, I don't know, hopefully you can see the little bump where the camera wires go through. I don't like the fact that it touches the ducts and transmits vibes from the frame. So you can see my camera wires are now clear of the frame, and that you can literally just go zip away in there. Stupid things like grinding off these little antenna holders. But anyway, it's that simple. So get yourself one of these. They're dead quick, dead easy, dead handy. Modify tons of stuff. There you go.